Wood stands for natural construction and lifestyles like no other material. Wood goes through many changes, from the world's jungles and forests through timber yards, all the way to making the final product. Above all, when high-quality types of wood are used as veneer, like here in the production of sliced veneers. One of the most important changes is processing single veneer sheets to the appropriate veneer deck. This is where Rückle comes in. Our professional experience and knowledge guarantee wood processors both top-quality veneer machinery and know-how. Let's start at the beginning, cutting veneer to length and preparing it. The veneer bundle is opened and positioned for the first cross cut. A sectional holding bar holds the veneer package in place. Precise cutting on the scissors principle reduces cutting pressure and minimizes squeezing and crimping. Table markings enable simple and precise cutting to the desired length. An accurate, clean cut at right angles to the grain. The result? Precise and clean cut edges, even on the most stubborn types of wood. This veneer cross-cutter's construction contains several unique advantages. The drop-down table removes waste, and the machine can be easily integrated into conveyor systems. For example, it can be combined with other machines such as the veneer jointing guillotine with a built-in glue application. Step 1. The feed table. The veneer bundle is positioned. The cutting line position is not covered by the bar. The operator has an uninterrupted view of the entire veneer bundle. A number of clamps firmly position the bundle and ensure absolutely parallel feeding. The light beam shows the exact position of the cut to be made. The bundle is now fed into the cutting area. A pressure bar firmly holds the veneer bundle during the jointing cut. Tension is evenly spread over the veneer. Immediately after cutting, this glue machine rolls on a clean and accurate glue application. The glue is a commercial product available in nearly every country. The bundle is turned and repositioned against the feed table clamps, precisely and perfectly parallel. The cutting line position is stored in a computer and can be used in a number of operations. By now, the operator has selected the jointing cut plus second cut program. The second cut is for thick or difficult veneers. The veneer bundle is absolutely motionless during glue application, the ideal condition for applying glue to the jointed surface. The smallest amount of glue is sufficient. These are the best conditions for the invisible Rückle splice line. The veneers have been prepared, ready for the cross-feed splicer's high standards. Veneer preparation is now complete. The veneer sheets are fed to the cross-feed veneer splicer, either one machine or, if capacity requires, two machines working side by side. The first veneer sheet is placed against the guide stops and is taken over by the feed-in system. The same applies to the following sheets. Our fully automated pendulum stops take over alignment and positioning. Overlapping is impossible. The veneers are either spliced endlessly and cut to size, as seen here, or book matched to pre-cut components. This is the decisive phase. The pre-glued veneer strips are now spliced together by the butt glue process. Photoelectric cells automatically trigger the sizing clipper and subsequent operations. Another look from the clipper side. Once the veneer is fed in, the operation is entirely automated. An automated adjuster corrects the veneer alignment if necessary. But gluing alone produces a permanent splice. This guarantees problem-free storage and transportation, and problem-free further processing of the veneer sheets. The conveyor system takes over the veneer deck and precisely guides it through the side strengthening units. Glue thread application begins on both sides of the veneer deck. Once again in slow motion, the glue thread's only purpose is to protect the veneer deck edges from tearing. The veneer sheets are transported to the stacker by a conveyor system working on the same cycle as the splicer itself. The veneer sheets can be either lowered onto the stacking platform or conveyed to the next processing step as required. Even large veneer sheets can be carefully stacked with their edges flush. A lifting platform underneath the conveying surface is another important component of the stacker. It automatically lowers itself according to the stack height until it reaches ground level. Another important aspect. Over 4,000 square meters of veneer can be processed per machine and shift. Cross-feed splicing is the most efficient system for splicing individual veneer strips into veneer decks. The system as a whole. Cutting to length, jointing, and glue application are the first steps. Then cross-feed splicing. The worldwide reputation of the Rückle splice line is based on this system, one that fulfills all the requirements of the veneer industry. For manufacturers of veneer lay-ons, it provides veneer decks with no rejects, decks that can be easily transported and stored. No overlapping or open splice lines, no additional bonding materials are needed. For board manufacturers, veneer finishing is no problem, even on large surfaces. Door manufacturers can reliably produce perfect quality door surfaces. Manufacturers of decorative panels can economically produce even greater numbers of first-class veneer surfaces. Furniture manufacturers can easily improve their product quality. Face veneers no longer impose design restrictions. However, the Rückle cross-feed splicing method is not only restricted to quality veneers. The system's advantages also come into their own when rotary cut veneers are being processed, or in lower quality mass production. Better material use and high efficiency are characteristics that speak for themselves. Rückle, quality guarantees the future.